So we are at Prashar Lake, which is close to Mandi, and it's a nature park called Prashar Lake Jhiri. You can see the numbers over here. So people often come over here to get a trip, White River Rafting, the nature park which is over here. What a happening place. The people, they have come in their buses. As you can see, they're getting ready, getting all decked up, and they're paying their money for White River Rafting. So there are changing rooms right over there, and they'll take you in these matadors, stuff like this, and take you to the nearest point where you can board it, and these little life jackets. Wow. Alright, so we had a good time over here. We had Maggie and chai, and now we are heading off. And by the way, it's 25th December, so I guess that's all the reason that there's so many people around here. Maybe some of them are local, some have come all the way from Gujarat. Here's another one. Crossed Manali, and then we have crossed Kullu. This is just around 5 to 10 kilometers from Kullu towards Chandigarh. So they're all getting boarded up on this matador, as we say. There's a boat, we'll be rafting on those, like 3 boats out there. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, nobody is wearing any footwear. They're making 3 lines and people are agreeing to it.